Maximizing value. Understanding bang for your buck. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and very useful English phrase, bang for your buck. This idiom is widely used in both personal and professional contexts, and understanding its meaning and usage can significantly enhance your English communication skills. Let's explore what it means to get the best bang for your buck and how you can use this expression in your daily conversations. The phrase, bang for your buck, refers to receiving great value for the money you spend. The word, bang, here is used metaphorically to mean value or results, and buck is a slang term for dollar. So, when someone says they're looking for the best bang for their buck, they're essentially looking for the highest quality or the most favorable outcome for the least amount of money. Interestingly, the phrase, bang for your buck, originated in the United States during the mid-20th century. It was first used in a military context, referring to getting the most efficient use out of the cost for weapons and defense. Over time, its usage expanded beyond the military, becoming a common way to talk about value and efficiency in spending across various aspects of life, including shopping, services, and investments. Using bang for your buck in conversation is quite straightforward. It can be applied in scenarios ranging from everyday purchases to business investments. For example, in personal finance, I always look for the best bang for my buck when I shop for groceries. In business, our new software provides the best bang for your buck, offering more features at a lower price than competitors. Remember, it's a versatile phrase that can be used in both formal and informal contexts, making it a great addition to your English vocabulary. To help you better understand how to use the phrase, here are a few examples. 1. This laptop was definitely the best bang for my buck. It has all the features I need at a great price. 2. When it comes to vacationing, booking an all-inclusive package often gives you more bang for your buck. 3. Our company is committed to giving you the best bang for your buck with our services. And that's a wrap on bang for your buck. We hope this video has illuminated how this phrase works and how you can start incorporating it into your English conversations. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions not only helps in understanding the language better but also in making your communication more natural and effective. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.